Every parent dreams of a peaceful dinner table, a place where the family gathers, where conversation flows easily, and where children eat with calm hearts. But for many families, mealtime becomes something very different. It becomes a moment filled with tension, negotiation, and emotional exhaustion. Tonight, I want to explore why this happens, why a simple plate of food can turn into a battle, and why mealtime, more than almost any other routine, reveals the emotional world of a child. To begin, let us look at something important. Children rarely resist food. They resist pressure. When a child turns away from a meal, it is not usually the taste or the texture that creates the conflict. It is the emotional climate surrounding the meal. Children are sensitive to atmosphere. They read the tone of the room. They feel the urgency in a parent's voice. They sense frustration long before a word is spoken. And when a child feels pressured, their body reacts. Their jaw tightens, their stomach contracts, their appetite decreases. This is not defiance, it is biology. There is also something else that often goes unnoticed. Children bring the entire weight of their day to the dinner table. If they felt overwhelmed at school, if they were rushed throughout the afternoon, if they experienced conflict or disappointment or confusion, their nervous system carries that stress right into the chair where they sit for dinner. When a child is emotionally full, it is difficult for them to be physically hungry. The body does not seek nutrition when the mind is overloaded. It seeks safety. This is why mealtime behavior is often a reflection of the child's inner world, not their appetite. Now let us look deeper into what children really need during meals. Not more rules, not more instructions, not more pressure. What they need is co-regulation, a calm adult presence that helps them settle, a warm voice, a slow pace, a gentle emotional space. Imagine entering a room where the lights are soft, the voices are calm, the energy is steady. This is the type of environment in which children eat best. Mealtime is not just a nutritional event, it is an emotional environment. There is a principle I want parents to remember. Behavior at the table is communication. A child who refuses may be communicating stress. A child who fidgets may be communicating anxiety. A child who speaks loudly or interrupts may be seeking connection. When parents see behavior as communication, everything changes. The battles soften, the frustration decreases, and the relationship strengthens. Because the parent no longer fights the behavior, they meet the need behind it.